Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic which will be on the division of decimal number. I hope you are all understood about the multiplication of decimal number that we have discussed in our previous session. So student, let us see what is the division of decimal number. So our today's topic will be on division of decimal number. Division of decimal number. Division of decimal number has a great scope in our daily life problem. We use the concept of division of decimal number in everywhere, every day in our daily life. The scope of division of decimal number is in office, second in banks, third in hospital, agriculture, also in defense. Division of decimal number used in various sectors. Here I just listed some important and particular sector where the division of decimal number, or you can easily say that the concept of decimal is used in office, in school, in banks. You can see that bank, the concept of decimal have great scope in bank. In the bank, the all activities which are connected with the money are all depend on the concept of decimal number. Similarly, it is used in a hospital. Sometimes in the hospitals, the dose of medicine injections are all measured with the concept of decimal number. Okay, our blood pressure, heartbeat, and various biological activity of the human body are all measure in the reference of decimal. Hence, decimal number has a great scope in hospital. Similarly, in agriculture, the decimal have great scope, and in the defense, there is no word to define the scope of decimal number in defense. So, students, these are the very important scope in which decimal are used. Now, we shall discuss about the division of decimal number as explained in the syllabus. So let us see. The division of decimal number is generally carried out by the process of the general method of division as we have learned in our previous classes. Okay, here you can see that there is a division given in which there are the divided is 1.331 and the divisor is 11. So this is the division of decimal number. So whenever we start its division, our first aim must be to remove the decimal from our question. Okay, so let us see how we remove the decimal from the given number. The decimal are removed from the given number by following the method of multiplication of 10 or multiple of 10. Sometimes the division of the numbers may also be written as in the term of fraction. Now we shall remove this decimal by just multiplying it by 1000 and we shall divide it 1000. Now here is a question arise why we multiply it by 1000. So for this just look at the numerator. You will find that the number of digit on the right side of decimal is 3. So, in order to replace the decimal 3-digit right of the given number, we have to multiply it by 1000. So, when we multiply 1.331 by 1000, we shall get 1331 and here we get 11000 and in this way we have removed the decimal from the given question. Now we shall divide it. So the division of rational number you have already studied in your previous chapter. So I think there is no problem in order to solve such type question. Since here we can see that there the denominator is in such kind that it cannot be changed in the term of 10 or multiple of 10. So the division of such type of rational number is not possible by multiplication. So that we shall divide it directly by our old method. So here we divide it 1331 by 11,000. Since the dividend is less than by divisor, so in order to make the dividend greater than divisor, we have to put decimal in the quotient and we shall place a 0 on the right side of the dividend. Now here we can see that it becomes 13,310 and this is the 11,000. Now I think the division is possible and here we have 11,000 and when we subtract 0 0 0 1 minus 0 1 and this become 3 and here we get 2 and 1 minus 1 become cancelled. Now again we increase a 0 and again we divide it by 2 times. So here we get 22,000 and here we get 0 0 1 and it becomes 1 and now the next we get 11,000. Okay, so in this way we get the result as 0.121 which is the right answer. Okay students, so in this way we shall done our division of the decimal number. So this is the exact process to solve such type of division and I hope you get everything clearly. Okay student, so now let us solve some more questions which are based on division of decimal number. The next question is 89.64 divided over 12. This is the given question. How we shall solve it? So first of all, we shall write this question in the form of rational number, or you can say that in the form of fraction. So it can be written as 89.64 upon 12. Since the number of digits on the right side of decimal is 2, therefore we shall multiply it by the multiple of 10 which have 2 zeros, which means we have to multiply the given number by 1000 as well as divide by 1000. So here we get 8964.00 upon 1200. Since the value of 0 on the right side of decimal is nothing, therefore we need not to write this decimal number. And now we can see that the decimal become removed, and now we shall solve it. Okay, you can use your shortcut method by just cutting like this, or you can divide it by directly. Okay, so I would like to use this method. So here we get 4 3s are 12, 0 0, and 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, and 4 1s are 4. Okay, now divided by 3, we get 100, and here we get 3 7 are 21, 3 4 are 12, and 3 7 are 21. And I hope here we get 747 upon 100. Whenever we get the rational number in which, when we get the fraction in which the denominator is 10 or multiple of 10, then we can easily divide it, because in the denominator there is 100 having 2 zeros, so we shall put decimal after 2 digits from right, and finally we get our result as 7.47. Okay, here we needed to think about more. Just look at the denominator. Since in the denominator there are 2 zeros, so we shall put decimal after 2 digits from right hand side, and we get our result easily. Okay student, so this is the solution of the given question. Sometimes we shall also get some question in which dividend have no decimal, but divisor have decimal. So let us see such type question. Whenever we get such type question, 25 divided over 0.5, then what will be our procedure? So first of all, we shall write them in the form of fraction, and now look at the denominator. You will get that the number of digits on the right side of decimal is 1. That's why we shall multiply the numerator and denominator by 10 in order to remove the decimal from the denominator, and hence here we get 25 upon 5, and we can use the factorization method. 5 1 are 5, 5 5 are 25, and hence here we get the result 5 as answer. Okay student, so I hope the division of decimal number is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, then please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. I will clear in my next video. Till then, goodbye.